Are you currently feeling like your intestine is completely locked up? Do you feel that heavy, uncomfortable weight in your lower abdomen? Perhaps you are dealing with gas, bloating, and that terrible feeling that affects not just your body, but your entire mood. It is a well-known fact that if you are not defecating well, you are likely suffering from repercussions throughout your entire system. A backed-up gut leads to anxiety, irritability, and even depressive states. You feel abdominal pain, your belly swells up like a balloon, and your quality of life plummets. When this happens, what do most people do? They run to the pharmacy, they buy irritant laxatives. And I need to be very honest with you right now. Laxatives are false friends. They might help you in a moment of desperation, giving you immediate relief, but they will betray you in the future. These chemical irritants can damage the mucosal lining of your intestine. They strip away the natural protective layers, and over time they make your bowel lazy. You become dependent on them, and without that harsh chemical stimulation, your body forgets how to function on its own. But today, we are going to change that narrative. You are going to learn how to make a powerful, natural juice. This isn't just a random mixture of fruits. This is a scientifically studied formulation with simple, accessible ingredients. When combined in the correct quantities, these ingredients work synergistically to unlock your digestive system. We want your intestine to function with the precision of a Swiss watch. We are going to walk through this step by step. I will explain exactly why we are using each ingredient, because understanding the why is the first step to healing. And stay with me until the very end, because I have a special footer tip, a secret protocol that is usually reserved for private consultations that acts as the ultimate backup for the most stubborn, chronic cases of constipation. Let's start building this remedy. The first ingredient is the foundation of everything. It is water. Specifically, you will need 300 milliliters or about 10 ounces of water. It might sound obvious, but you would be shocked at how many people try to cure constipation with fiber supplements while remaining chronically dehydrated. Think of your intestine like a hydraulic system. It requires fluid to move. One of the primary functions of your large intestine is to reabsorb water from the waste material passing through it. If you are dehydrated, your body, in a desperate attempt to conserve fluids, will suck every drop of moisture out of your stool. The result? The stool becomes dry, hard, and stone-like. It becomes like concrete, and no amount of pushing or straining can move concrete through a delicate tube effectively. Water is the most potent natural lubricant we have. Before you think about pills or powders, you have to ask yourself, am I lubricated? Ideally, for this recipe, use filtered water. And here is a side note on water that can change your life. Apart from this juice, you should aim to drink about 600 to 640 milliliters of water immediately upon waking up on an empty stomach. This activates the gastrocolic reflex. It sends a signal from your empty stomach to your colon that it is time to clear out the old to make room for the new. If you can make that a habit and then add this juice, you are already halfway to solving the problem. So, start with 300 ml of water in your blender. The second ingredient brings us our first major dose of specialized fiber. We are going to use an orange. However, the way you prepare this orange matters more than the orange itself. You need a medium to large orange. You're going to peel the outer bright orange zest, but you must, and I repeat, must, leave the white part intact. That white layer between the fruit and the peel is called the pith, or the albedo. Many people meticulously pick this off because it has a slightly bitter texture, but that is a huge mistake. That white pith is where the magic lies. It is packed with a specific type of fiber called pectin. Why is pectin so important for a locked intestine? Pectin is a soluble fiber that acts almost like a sponge. It absorbs water and forms a gelatinous mass. This does two things. It softens the stool, making it easier to pass, and it increases the volume of the stool, which presses against the intestinal walls and triggers peristalsis, the rhythmic contractions that move things along. But the benefits of the orange pith go beyond just the bathroom. Pectin has been scientifically proven to decrease the absorption of cholesterol and fats in the intestine. By binding to these molecules, it prevents them from entering your bloodstream, which can lower your risk of atherosclerosis, the clogging of arteries that leads to heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, pectin slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood glucose. So, when you prepare this for the juice, peel the orange but keep it messy. Keep that white fuzz on there. Cut it into quarters, remove the seeds if you wish, and toss the whole thing, flesh and pith, into the blender with the water. Now, we need an enzymatic booster. The third ingredient is papaya. You will need a generous slice, approximately 140 to 170 grams. If possible, choose the papaya variety, often called strawberry papaya or red papaya, as it tends to be richer in enzymes, but any papaya will work. Papaya is famous in the digestive world for a reason. It contains a powerful proteolytic enzyme called pectin. Proteolytic simply means it breaks down proteins. Think about your diet. If you eat red meat, heavy proteins, or a barbecue, you might often feel that heavy, brick-in-the-stomach sensation afterward. That is often because your body is struggling to break down those complex protein structures. When proteins are not broken down efficiently, they travel further down the digestive tract where they can putrefy, causing gas, foul odors, and inflammation. Papaya acts like a solvent. It chemically snips those protein bonds, turning complex meats into amino acids that are easily absorbed or passed. This reduces that feeling of being stuffed or bloated. Additionally, papaya is a dual-threat fiber source. It contains soluble fiber, which we mentioned helps with the gel formation, but it also has insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. It remains intact. It adds bulk to the stool, acting like a broom that sweeps the walls of the colon clean. This combination of enzymatic digestion and physical sweeping makes papaya non-negotiable in this recipe. For the juice, take that slice of papaya, remove the skin, and you can either remove the seeds or leave a few in for an extra kick, though they have a peppery taste, and add the fruit to the mixture. The fourth ingredient provides the fuel for your internal ecosystem. We need 1 large leaf of kale or collard greens. When selecting your greens, look for the dark, thick leaves, like butter kale or Portuguese kale. Avoid the lighter, watery cabbages like Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage for this specific purpose, as they have significantly less fiber content. Why are we adding a green leaf to a fruit juice? Because we need a potent prebiotic. There is often confusion between probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the live bacteria themselves. Prebiotics are the food that allows those good bacteria to survive and multiply. You can take all the probiotic supplements in the world, but if you don't feed them, they will die. The fiber in kale acts as a banquet for the beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. When these bacteria are well fed, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which serve as fuel for the cells lining your colon. This keeps the gut wall healthy, prevents leaky gut, and ensures the muscular contractions of the intestine are strong and coordinated. Furthermore, kale is a superfood rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help heal any microinflammations or irritations in the gut lining caused by chronic constipation or previous laxative use. It aids in cicatrization, healing the tissue. Wash the leaf well. You can remove the very thick bottom stalk if your blender isn't very powerful, but ideally you want to keep as much of that fibrous structure as possible. Tear it up and add it to the blender. Finally, the fifth ingredient. This is the accelerator. We need 1 shallow tablespoon of honey. We are not adding this just to make the juice sweet. We are adding it for physics. Honey, specifically pure, high-quality honey, contains oligosaccharides, another form of prebiotic, but its main role here is its osmotic effect. Fructose and the specific sugar profile of honey are hygroscopic, meaning they attract water. When you introduce this concentrated sugar into the digestive tract, it creates an osmotic gradient. It literally pulls water from the surrounding tissues into the hollow space of the intestine. Remember ingredient number 1, the water? The honey helps ensure that water stays in the stool rather than being absorbed back into the body too quickly. It keeps everything moist. This increased fluid volume creates internal pressure, which signals to the bowel that it is time to evacuate. It is a gentle, natural way to stimulate movement without the harsh cramping caused by chemical laxatives. Add just 1 shallow tablespoon. We don't want to spike your insulin too high. We just want enough to trigger that osmotic reaction. Now that we have our 5 powerful components, water, orange, with pith, papaya, kale, and honey, it is time to prepare the drink. Blend everything on high speed until it is smooth. Now here is the most critical instruction of the preparation. Do not strain this juice. I see people make beautiful juices and then pass them through a sieve, throwing away all the solid matter. If you do that, you are throwing away the medicine, the pulp, the pith, the fibers. That is the broom. That is the sponge. You need to drink the texture. It might be thick, but that thickness is exactly what your colon needs to grab onto. When should you drink this? You have 2 optimal windows. The first option is to drink it alongside your breakfast. It pairs perfectly with the morning wake-up signals your body is already sending. The second option is around 6 p.m. or late afternoon. This allows the fibers and hydration to work through your system overnight, setting you up for a successful bathroom visit the next morning. You can drink this every single day. It is food, not a drug. It nourishes your body while it regulates your function. However, I promised you a secret, a footer tip that I usually reserve for my patients who come to me with severe chronic constipation, the kind where they haven't gone in days and feel hopeless. If you try the juice and still feel you need extra help, or if you want to bulletproof your digestion, here is the additional protocol: prunes. Specifically, you want to eat 4 dried plums, prunes, immediately after your breakfast, and another 4 dried plums after your dinner. That is 8 prunes a day total. Why prunes? Prunes are nature's most effective laxative food. They contain a high concentration of insoluble fiber, but more importantly, they are rich in a substance called sorbitol. Sorbitol is a sugar alcohol that the body digests very slowly. Because it lingers in the gut, it holds onto water aggressively, similar to the honey mechanism but stronger, and softens the stool remarkably well. It creates a soft, movable mass that is very difficult for the body to ignore. But remember, do not blend the prunes into the juice. Eat them whole as a dessert after your meals. The act of chewing them also stimulates saliva and gastric juices, prepping the system. So, to recap your plan for a perfect intestine, start your day with hydration. Prepare this powerful juice with the water, the orange and its pith, the papaya and its enzymes, the kale for the bacteria, and the honey for the moisture. Drink it unstrained. And if you are a chronic sufferer, add the 4+4 prune protocol to your daily routine. This approach addresses hydration, lubrication, bulk, bacterial health, and enzymatic breakdown. It covers every base. It treats the root cause, not just the symptom. When your gut works, your mind clears. The bloating vanishes. The pain subsides. You feel lighter, more energetic, and happier. Stop relying on false friends that damage your body. Give your system the natural tools it needs to repair itself and function like that Swiss watch we talked about. Try this for a few days. You will be amazed at how quickly your body responds when you treat it with the right fuel. If you found this information helpful, please share it with friends or family members who you know are suffering in silence. Gut health is fundamental to our lives, and this simple recipe can be a game changer. Here is to your health and a happy, functioning intestine.